Hi folks, I'm Brent Coker and this is episode 2 of my 18 marketing tips in 18 days, where I choose pieces of information that are perhaps not so well known in marketing, but have a powerful effect on consumer behavior. What's the number one metric that all digital marketers rely on? It's conversion rate. But have you ever wondered what conversion rate's really telling you? I mean, if you look at how it's calculated, it's the number of sales over the number of visits. Because of the way it's calculated, a higher conversion rate doesn't necessarily mean that it's high performance. Check out this example. In week 1, we've got 4% conversion rate, which is calculated as 50,000 visits over 2,000 sales. In week 2, we've got 10% conversion rate, calculated as 10,000 visits over 1,000 sales. So what's the problem? Well, week 2 is telling us that we have a better conversion rate. But when we look at how it's calculated, we see that it has half the number of sales. So it's misleading us into thinking that week 2 had better performance, when in fact, the reality is it had half the number of sales. Not a good thing. So the lesson is, when you're using conversion rate, make sure you look at how it's calculated and don't blindly use it as your main metric of success. Thanks for watching. This is episode 2 of my 18 marketing tips in 18 days series. See you next time.